up, guys? We're here to discuss the graphics on skateboards and different methods and how they're applied. This is a little bit more so on the industry end of things. When it comes to silk screening, I think it's a great look. It's definitely what I started on as far as skating goes, how I saw my first graphics being applied to skateboards. This one here is actually one of my boards from younger days, and it is it has been silk screened. This is a original Schutt skateboard, and you can tell that it was silk screened just because of actually the feel to it and as well the look of it. And it has that silk screen look. Sometimes you'll notice too with different boards where they come to the edges on the older ones, and you sometimes will notice imperfections as far as when the screens pass with different colors, sometimes different ones come out. So the screen process is like a 99% success rate. When you are in the screening process, it is difficult to get all your colors to come through at the same time. But back in the day, these guys had mastered it, and still people are doing some amazing jobs with this style of applying graphics to a skateboard, also to the top sheet as well. I have some other examples here as well. This is a process we use now. It is called a heat transfer. This is the finished product here. Let me show you real quick some sheets of a heat transfer. It's almost like kind of like shrinky dink. It's that thin plastic, and what it is the graphic is applied to this on almost a paint vinyl material, and this then is applied to the board. The manufacturer who makes these will also put a grid, so you'll know exactly where to place it on the board. Once it's applied to the area of the board, then a heat gun and roller is applied to the top sheet to get it to stick to the board. So I'll show you an example of some of the graphics, how intricate you can get with. I'll show you this one from Javier Nunez's pro model here, and very similar to one of our veteran friends, Tino Razzo, right here. And then we have my friend Eric Cologne had done this one for us. This one to a long board, and the rest of the graphic, the backdrop, was just the natural wood on this one. We also did it in a full dip blue. So what you could do is actually take your canvas, which is your skateboard, and dip that or have that completely sprayed as the backdrop color for whatever you want the graphic to come through. And here's some others. This one here, an all over zine print that spells out the word Schutt. So this process here I find to be a little better as far as the artwork is concerned, especially when working with artists like this gentleman here, Rostar. We've done a couple of pieces with him, and you get a better look to it. We've also done some stuff with photographers, so their work just shows a little bit better. This one here from Crink KR, and just really shows the look of the artwork that was done. With the heat transfer, just know that they don't have that great of a shelf life. They're a little bit brittle, so storing them, they do flake up a bit. They do need to be applied right away once they're sent from the manufacturer. Another process too that people are doing is as hand spray. You can get into airbrush. There's a lot of customization that you can do to the board, but when it comes to manufacturing, most companies are using the heat transfer and still using the silk screen.